poppin' Z Nation? I'm back with another video, and today I will be teaching my girls who do not know how to twerk. And it's always helpful to help our citizens of the United States of America. Hallelujah. So I will be teaching you step by step how to twerk. Twerk that booty. But anyways, if you have a problem with me twerking, it's exercise for me, because it's the only way I exercise. Mood. Anyway, but if you are new to my channel, what's poppin' girl, I'm lit, or what's poppin' my mans, what's up? Like, subscribe, and comment. I am a lit person, upcoming YouTuber, and if you are a small YouTuber, you want to support each other, what's poppin', comment under my post, and follow all my social medias. They will be all linked in the description below. And let's get into my intro.
From the back, that's a rack, that's a rack. From the back, from the back, that's a rack, that's a rack.
So, as I told y'all, I will be teaching y'all how to twerk. So, might as well, let's get it. I'm finna stand up, y'all. So first, what you want to do, so first we're going to do regular up, down first. So first you want to do is, just, get your body together, correct? Then you want to put your hand on your knees. Shoot, act like you finna, I don't know. Just put your hand on your knees, hands on your knees. Then you want to, like, do this, like, scoot back. Okay, I like scoot back to you. Up, down, okay? Do you got it? We're gonna go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do y'all get it? Let me show y'all how y'all do it then. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's do the end result.
Like a free throw. Arch your back, put your hands on your knees, ho.
Second most way of easy twerking. So first, you want to do this as if you're finna touch your toes, right? Then we gonna do this, shake to the side like this, and then you go down as you go. It's gonna look fur. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you go slower. Faster. My bad. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do it as long as you can, but let's see the end result.
You're gonna shake it all night. Wow. She got it. She got it.
Next, y'all, I'm finna teach y'all how to throw it in a circle. This is easy but hard. This is my specialty. So I'm just finna show y'all the steps to let's go. So first, I want to throw it in a circle. So first, you wanna put your hands on your knees too, or you can stand up and do it too, but I prefer my hands on my knees. So you do this, and then you circle motion, but you want to do it faster. Make sure y'all cover up y'all bodies, because these men always got a way to saying that we sex appeal. Anyways, you gotta do it again. Say 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 4. Let's get it. The next way is twerking on the floor. You get it? Like twerking, like Froggy twerk, Megan Thee Stallion strong knees, like that. So I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna get it, and I'm finna show y'all. Period. So first, what you wanna do? So get in this way as if you finna sit down. Like kneel down. Then you wanna up, down, or you wanna go circle. Get it? Up, down, circle. Ooh, almost said. So
twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk.
So Z Nation, Let me know if y'all learned something with my little Ratchet twerky. You should be able to learn something because easy, just easy. So like, subscribe, and comment. Check out my music, Z-Baby Twerk shit, you know, and Z-Baby feat Za'khaira Facts or whatever. And I got more music on the way. Thanks for watching my video. And if you learned something, like, subscribe, and comment. Basically, just comment. I like that for sure. And love you, Z Nation, and peace.